last drill that you can do with wave tutting, and it's going to help you kind of get the coordination with your brain going. Like it's like a little warm-up type of thing. So you know these square tut positions like this? These can be used, or some people call them box tuts I should say, but these positions can be used with waving just like that. And from each of these type of positions you can go up, you can change the direction of it. So when you're doing this, try to get used to changing the direction. Boom, 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 change, 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 and back. Change and back. Change and back. And once you can do that, then you can start going down. Now you can go all the way down with it. Okay? Down. 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 Okay? And what you can also do is, from there you can go like that. You can do both hands like this. You can do both hands down. Or you can even do like this, okay? Now see how I'm in a different position here, just from going up like that. And from here you can even do this. Okay? Now the other side, alright? And these you could turn, and they get you into these type of positions. Like that. Okay? And they all kind of come back from this one box tut here. So now, instead of this, you can do one arm up instead of just switching them both up like this. You can go like this and now up. Okay, you see? Boom, 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 boom. Alright. And then from here, these positions also allow you to get into like those type of liquid kind of tutting, liquid wave tut, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. And from there, of course, you can also use your tracing again. So your tracing is you're using these lines again here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so that's just a little something you can do. All these kind of cool positions here. Even if you want to go like this, that's fine. It's just all that coordination, getting your coordination, getting your body to do what your brain wants you to do and it's just a cool little drill. So that's the last thing I wanted to show you, and hope it kind of opens your mind to some new tutting angles with waving.